back to Quantity Plans. This is Carmen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm going to be planning in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as my journal for the week of August 28th through September 3rd. And today I'm going to be using stickers from Simply Sweetly Crafty. These are like some sunflower and floral stickers that I've had left from a couple of other spreads I created with these a couple years past, and I don't like to throw away any of my stickers, especially if I know that I can get another spread out of them. So I'll be using these one last time along with functional boxes from the Mojo Jojo Plans Rainbow Boxes sticker book. And let's go ahead and get to planning. We're going to start with me taking off the note section here in the horizontal layout because I don't use that part for notes. I only use the actual days of the week for journaling. So that one's pretty simple to go ahead and get off from the radar of using it. Let's see. So let's do these glitter strips at the very bottom. So I'll start with this one here. Whoop. And we're gonna use them down at the bottom over here. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you're happy and that you're healthy and that life is going good. I am doing well. Lots of exciting things coming up. I'm participating in a YouTube collab with a couple of my planner friends, so that'll be exciting, which will be coming up on the 30th on Wednesday. And then also, what else is going on? We're supposed to be moving into our new house by the end of September, so that's also exciting. Let's see, I want to do the green, then the yellow on top. And we just finished celebrating my mom's birthday and she had a good time. We just had a little barbecue for her, but she really enjoyed it. Let's see. And we're gonna cut this little extra off. I know the washi strips aren't too wide, so you probably won't be able to see too much of this detail, but I think once the spread comes together with more stickers on the page, you'll be able to kind of see this a little better. So at least that's what I'm hoping. I mean, I could have used it in between the lines, but I think this is a good way to use most of it, because if not, I'll be like using pieces here, pieces there. And the whole idea of using leftover sticker sheets is for you to be able to use all the stickers that are left. Okay. All right, so we got that going, kind of like a little bit of our base. And then, see, we still have some of these that have kind of like pattern on them. So those are also interesting to maybe put into the mix. So we'll see. Okay, and then let's get the plain ones before we use the ones that come with the kit here. So I'm looking for this color here. I thought initially this one went with it, but I don't know. Let me see. Purple is also one that goes along with the stickers, because I'm also looking not just at the washi strips, but also at what's here. If I had like a lighter shade of like the lavender shade, I could use that. Okay, which I think I do. I saw one of the double boxes. Okay, so I usually like to use the boxes that have lines in this journal spread, but I think I'm going to change it up a little bit today and use just the regular boxes. Okay, so there's that one. And then what else do I want to mix with that though? Not, I don't know, not mix. A mix sounds like I'm gonna mix it, but here, maybe, what am I gonna add along with that? So we could do, this time I want to put everything on the corner. Sometimes I don't do that, but I'm gonna change up the box positions. Okay, and then let's do on this side, we can do the yellow and the green. Yellow and green. And here I do have some yellows with the line, so I'll be able to use that. So yellow, and see if I have any boxes with lines in the green. That's all I have of the green. Okay, so maybe I should get a yellow box without lines, because this will be the only one with lines. Either they all have lines or none of them have lines, because if not, that's kind of, I don't know, it's gonna kind of throw me off a little bit. Okay, let's see here. I want to put this one right here, and then the other one can go right about here. Okay, now let's see. We can do page flags, but I only have 2 of those. Let me see, what else do I have over here? Yeah, because I wanted to do like page flags. So we could do a page flag on each side, because I do have 2. So we can do a page flag here. And then another page flag right here. Page flags, and then these are kind of like washi strips, some of these, like this one and this one. So maybe we can do a little bit of that. So I'm thinking we can do like this, pretend that it's just a piece of tape that's holding it together, you know, even though it's adhered on its own. Let's see how I did this one. So I kind of covered this, so okay, so we can do like that. And see, I have this one with this one. It's still patterned, kind of type washi here. So where could we put this? Maybe it could cover this up. And this one up. Okay, and then I do have some full boxes left, but I kind of wanted to just see what I have first. Okay, so here's my thought. Right in here, and then another one right up here. Oh, but you can't see the page flag anymore. Okay, there we go. Now we have one of those sparklies on each side, which is good. And then we can do some washi down across the middle boxes, like these 2. So then I can do, I'll do one here, because they're thin. For some reason I thought I had another one of those, I don't know. And then we can do this smaller one that we have there. We can put it right over here, like that. Okay. And then let's see, maybe we could put the pattern boxes down here is what I'm thinking. But it's not the same pattern, that's the thing. What do I do? 2 and 2, let me see. This one kind of looks the same as that, right? Yeah, we're gonna do it. Oh, I can't seem to grab the sticker. Okay, we'll do this one, and then we'll do this one. And then I'll show you guys in just a minute kind of how I plan to offset the fact that they're not exactly the same. I'll show y'all in a minute. So put one on each side of itself like that. Okay. And see how there's room right here for one. We'll do the different colored one right there. And actually, we'll put it like this. And then, that's where I'm a little stuck. Or maybe we could just leave that part like that. It doesn't have to have something. But then, look, I do have these. Oh, I thought these were smaller that we could put there. Now, I think it's good like that. And we can maybe white that section out, if anything. Okay, so back to our spread here. You know what I want to do? Never done this in my journal spread, but you know what? I think since I'm trying new stuff, let's just try it all new. Let's do this. Why not? I just want to try it. I don't know. I may hate having all this stuff here, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see as the week goes on. And then really that's kind of all I want to put, because like I said, this is my journal, and the more space I have to just write, the better. And I think that this spread turned out great. I'm very excited to use this journal spread this week. Thank you guys for spending some time with me while I went ahead and planned this out for the week. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!